by the candidate. Minister?
No, thank you very much, CJ. Good afternoon, Advocate Norton. I think for me, it's ethical issues that comes through. One, following what has been raised with you of the 2 years lapse, but two, having disclosed in the form about this matter, but still you are appearing unprepared. I'm going to say, I don't think you are appearing unprepared, because in the manner that you are answering questions, almost contradictory, to me says that you are not yet have really processed this matter in what you are wanting us to believe, and having accepted the wrongfulness of this activity and action. And that's what I'm saying is ethical issues, because if I were you, for example, I find myself here and I'm coming for this interview, I would have had a detailed explanation, knowing the times, the years, the amounts and all that, and not having to say, I can't remember, I'm not so sure. If I understood that the position of being a judge requires high ethical standard, and therefore I would have to pass that standard here by clearing the matter that had happened in 2019. What you have to say by these discrepancies and your lack of information and your lack of inconsistency, or even answering some of the pertinent questions that are coming with the dates, with the amounts that are being looked for, so that we can have the benefit of the doubt and trust you that this has been a lesson, as you say, and going forward it will not repeat itself.
Yeah. Minister, when challenged by the Law Society, I did prepare a 2 or 3 page response which set out the various dates, and I identified people. I didn't want to identify people, quite frankly. But I made a full disclosure. It is something I regret, and the firm, to the extent it could, it made good. It made good by admitting guilt to the Law Society. We made good by paying the fine. We made good by personally taking out a large loan from a bank to cover that deficit. We made good by pursuing criminal charges against the aberrant